Hi guys, I'm Christina. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I am so pumped for this video because I finally get to decorate my bedroom. If you guys missed Vlogmas Day 1, be sure to watch that video. I'll link it down below. It's where I got all of my Christmas decorations. I'm so excited to set it up and just feel all the Christmassy vibes. So let's get started. I feel like it might take a while, but we're here, we're ready, we're thriving, we're living. Let's go. New day, and I thought it would be fun if I also included me decorating the family Christmas tree because my family finally brought it upstairs, and we've also done a little bit of decorating downstairs, so I just thought I would throw it all in this video. So let's go check it out and let's go decorate the tree together. So this is the box where we keep all of the ornaments. We have our little angel here, which is so cute. We have a cute little doggy here, which is so cute. But you don't go on a tree, do you? He doesn't really associate with the tree. Chloe likes sleeping under it. The theme that we do for our tree is like gold, red, and green. Like, as you can see, these are super cute. We have these really nice Santa Clauses that personally I'm obsessed with. I love it. We have a ton of these little birdies, which I know are both my mom and I's favorite. Let's get started because I have a feeling this may take quite a while. Hey, Bubba! This is an ornament that I made when I was younger. It doesn't have a date on it or anything, but oh my god. We also have some really cute little teddy bears. These guys are definitely some of my fave. We have these little guys too, which are super cute. And these, which are like sparkly little bells. They actually ring. They're so cute. We have so many cute ornaments. We have such an assorted tree, but I'm definitely starting to struggle with finding places to put everything because I don't like having the tree look too crowded. What do you think, Cope? Do you like the way it looks, Bubba? Are we decorating the tree? Are you gonna help me decorate the tree? Have you been good boy or bad boy this year? No. Is Santa gonna give you coal or is he gonna give you a BONE? Is Santa gonna bring you a toy? No, Santa's not here. He's not here. I love you. You're so sweet. I mean, this definitely isn't going on the tree, but look how cute I was. And this little ornament too. Oh my god, you guys, that was in grade 1. I was so tiny. Look how I wrote my name. Honestly, it hasn't changed much, but aw, cute. So as you can see behind me, the tree is starting to get a little bit full. There's definitely a ton of like balls and candy canes. My mom and I went to a Christmas show. I don't know if that Vlogmas is up yet, but we got some new ornaments. So this one's white and says joy all over it. It's so pretty. And we also got these really pretty guys, which are all wrapped up, but they are super detailed. They say Merry Christmas, super fragile. So I probably shouldn't be handling them, but I thought I would go ahead and put those on the tree. So I thought it would be cute if I showed you guys a couple of the other Christmas decorations that we put around the house. So the first one here is this new sign we got this year. It just says Dear Santa. It's a long story. I think it is so funny and so adorable. And we also got this really pretty reindeer. I love this kind of steel look. It matches. And this guy's got a really cute little plaid bow on. And then in our living room, we have these adorable stockings. These are new this year. They have everybody's letter to their first name, which is so cute. As you can see, this one's mine beside my mama, and then my dad and my brothers, and we have this thing here that just says Merry Christmas. This has been in the family for so long. I think it's so adorable. And then to hang our stockings, we got these little guys. So we got a deer here, we got 2 little moose, and on this side we have 2 little trees, and I think these are adorable. Like, how cute is this? When the fireplace is on, got the Christmas movies going, like, such a look. Love it. So that is it for Vlogmas Day 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up. Sorry I'm talking a little quietly. People are sleeping right now. I don't want to be too loud and wake them up. And I also just wanted to ask, do you guys find it weird in these vlogs that I have like a couple days in them? Like, does it throw you off or do you like it? Please let me know down below. I know in Vlogmas Day 1 it included 2 days. Today's vlog included 2 days. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you guys know when I upload Vlogmas Day 3. I feel like Vlogmas is gonna fly by so quickly, but I'm really excited to see how all of the videos turn out. And I hope you guys are as excited as I am. But anyways, that's it for me today. Remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are uniquely you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.